Hi, my name is Dasun, and today I want to show you our new version of our email agent. This one is something I have first started when I first started building Merlo. Email agent was the very first one we built, but however, it took us a lot of time to get it right. It's a lot of back and forth learning because the Strata emails can be very different. So today I want to show you the latest version. This is I'm going to call it version 2. Um, and this is the first time I'm actually doing something with the email agent properly because this is not just a marketing one. This is all for our users who's been extremely patient with us over the months as we got our shit together and got it actually working to a really good point. So I'm very excited about it. Let's jump in and I'm going to show you how it works. Um, Let me share my screen. So over here, you're actually looking at my inbox. So the thing is, in Strata, as you know, there are a lot of different types of emails that Strata managers have to deal with. So even if you're in your business, if you have a separate person, dedicated person looking after these kind of emails still takes a lot of time. Things like levy notice inquiries, asking billing managers or whoever asking for bylaw documents, people asking like, what's the process for 184 certificate? How can I do a start a search? And I want to do renovations. When's my insurance due? Can you send me my insurance certificate? Can you send me the AGM minutes, AGM agendas, and all these things? You need to respond to them. This is like one of those things, evil things you still have to do. So we build the email agent to help you with to get it done pretty quickly. So what you're looking at here is someone called John Merlo. So in this one, John Merlo is a lot owner. So Merlo always validate the information. There's a switch you can turn it off as well. You can validate the information, and then if it's depending on the information they're asking, it goes through its rules, check if this is allowed, and then actually it'll just either attach the document, provide the information, draft it, and it's ready to send out. So I'm looking at here, it's a bylaw document request, we have an AGM request, we have a levy balance request, 184 certificate request, and a kitchen renovation. So what I'm going to do is, let's say I come in the morning, I open up, and this guy John Merlo who's asking me so many questions. So I'm going to be just drag and drop, drag and drop, and drag and drop, drag and drop again, drag and drop again. So that's what I'm going to do. So what's Merlo going to do is Merlo going to go through all that, read who's the person, and then respond to it. So Merlo actually checks whether this person is an owner, tenant, a committee member, and then based on that, it'll actually go through its hierarchical information and go, oh yeah, you're allowed to do it. Yeah, oh, I can't provide you this information. Things like that. So it's very smart in that sense. So over here, I have the bylaw document. So you're not going to see the draft here because because this is the Mac version of Outlook. In the Windows version, you can actually see the draft here as well. I have the conversation turned off, so that's why it's not showing it. But if I go in here, so over here, here's my bylaw document. Bylaw documents attached, strata plans there. And this actually is another status that you can change. It shows you what are the strata plan this person has access to. Kitchen renovation, there you go. It has all the links, whatever it is. So you have the ability to put whatever you want, share that with Merlo. Merlo use your knowledge base to provide that information. So in your business today, if you have templates and stuff, this is still faster than that. Merlo will do all that. It's all written, and all you need to do is press send. Same as the 184 certificate, it's all populated, and these PSBs and stuff, they are populated using the system, Strata systems, banking details, so it can do it. So if you the version that's not connected to your Strata system, there are ways we can actually help you achieve the exact same outcome as well. But that's how it works with the Strata system. Levy balance, again, this is something very interesting I want to highlight. So over here, this person has access to two Strata plans, three Strata plans. So it actually says for this Strata plan number, he owns lot 2, no outstanding, and this one it got money in, quite a bit money owing. Same with this one. Why it's actually showing all three is this person has haven't specified which one they are referring to. So there's two approaches here. One is either we can provide everything, or we can actually just say which one you're referring to. So that's all configurable when we actually do the implementation. So that's why we go through an implementation process and we actually ask what's your preferences, so we can actually do it. The last one here, AGM minutes, you're asking for that. There you go, that's your AGM example file. So that's what you can do with Merlo. So if you, regardless of how many emails you get, just imagine if you can automate 25% of your email using this, how much time you can save. Email agent is specifically designed for these black and white type of emails. That doesn't mean it doesn't work with any complex email, because with the email agent, we try to draft it as much as the best way we can, in a single attempt. But if you have a complex email, you want to go back and forth and work with the AI and do it, that's where the Teams agent is. So you can actually just get it to do it as well. So I hope you find that helpful. If you think like this is something that you can use in your business, give me reach out to me. Check us our website, or just drop me a message, and I'll love to show you how it really works, how it really can work in your business. So I'll see you next time. Bye bye.